How to add search to your WordPress blog. If you'd like to add a search component to your WordPress blog, you'll find it to be very simple and straightforward. The first thing you'll need to do is actually go to your blog site. As you can see here, I have a very simple sample blog site called Acme Travel. I'm using the default WordPress theme, so things look very simple and clean. And the first thing I'll need to do once I am at the blog site is log in with administrative privileges. So I'll log in as admin. I'll enter my password, click login, and here we are at the dashboard of my blog. I'll click the View Site button and open that in a new tab so that we've got a view of our blog to go back to see our changes. Things still look the same. There's no search component there. So to add the search component, we want to look for the Appearance group, and below Appearance we'll click Widgets. And what you'll do is you're basically going to add a search widget to your sidebar area. Depending on which theme you use, there might be a sidebar 2 or a header widgets area or footer widgets area. That's a little out of the scope of this video lesson, but in this case we're using the default WordPress template, which has one sidebar area. So very simply, we'll look in the available widgets area right here, and there all the available widgets are organized alphabetically. So we'll look for search, and we'll simply drag the search widget over to the sidebar 1 area. And once you get it in place, you can see the little dotted square line that prompts you to drop it into place. So I'll go ahead and drop it, and it's going to prompt me to title my search bar. So I'll name it search. I'll save my work, and we go back to the blog, and there you go. There's our search widget. Now we can go back and we can edit that. We may not want to have a title. You can save our work and just swipe out the title there. Go back and look, and now the search bar does not have a title. That may be the way you'd like it to look, or you might want to create a very specific title, such as Search Acme Travel, and we'll save our work. Go back to the blog, and you'll see that the search widget is now titled in a very specific way, and we may just decide that we want to get rid of it altogether, in which case we go back and click the delete button, and that deletes the widget. There's nothing to worry about. You haven't caused any irreparable harm to your blog. You've just deleted a widget, and you go back and refresh the page, and you can see that it's now gone. And then if you decide that you want to go back and put the search widget back, you can just go back to the available widgets area. There'll always be your available widgets here, alphabetized. Drag your search widget over to your sidebar area. You're prompted to drop it into place. You're prompted to title the widget. So let's give this one a title, and then click Save. Go back and view our work. And once again, there you go. There's our search widget in our WordPress blog. So you'll find that adding a search widget to your WordPress blog is very simple. You simply go to your blog site, log in with administrative privileges, go down to the Appearance group, click Widgets, drag your search widget over to your sidebar area, title it if you like, save your work, and there you go. That's how to add a search component to your WordPress blog.